Is there a shortcut key for file browser? Equiv of Win+E. In Windows you can press the Win+E to get the Windows Explorer window to open up anytime. Is there an equivalent global hotkey to get the File Explorer to show up in Ubuntu Karmic?
Open System, Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts. Scroll down to Desktop/Home folder, click on it, then press Win+E. Click Close.
Ubuntu 14.04 LTS. 1. Navigate to System Settings =NGT, Keyboard =NGT, Shortcuts tab =NGT, Launchers. 2. Click Home folder and press Win+E to set the shortcut. 3. When complete it should say Super+E to the right of the Home folder.
In Ubuntu 18.04, press Window key. Search Shortcut. You'll have a settings menu for keyboard shortcuts. Dive in. Go to the bottom of the screen and click plus Add New Shortcut. Set these. Name, Home. Command, xdg open dot. You can replace dot with your directory. Dot will open home directory by default. Set shortcut, Window key +E.
You can open Nautilus by pressing Ctrl+N.
If most are out, use a certain photo.